What's going on, y'all? Guess what? We went back to St. Alfonso Catholic Church, but this time we got the cod. And of course, we still got our famous coleslaw and that great spaghetti. But let's check out this fish. Now, for me, this is a little bit over fried, but I know here in St. Louis, people tend to like their fish extra crispy. But anyway, let's tear it in half. Oh well, it didn't tear that well, but that's okay. Let's give it a bite. And yeah, it's pretty tasty, y'all. It's pretty tasty. Next, let's check out this coleslaw. And y'all know I like that coleslaw from them. They make a good coleslaw, y'all. This spaghetti be good too. I don't even have to taste it. I already know it's gonna be good. But anyway, last time I made this video about this church, I had a couple of comments that, I really didn't appreciate much. This is coming from a Catholic church. They're not a restaurant. The plate ain't gonna look spectacular. They're not trying to go for presentation. They're just going to provide you a tasty meal at a reasonable price during Lent. But anyway, y'all, back to this plate. Now, I had to give me a little crystal hot sauce. Had to have my crystals on here. Now, I know some people like different hot sauces, but this is my all-time favorite. Gives you a nice spicy flavor. Plus, has a little bit more vinegar than most hot sauces. And I love it. And look at that nice, clean piece of cod, y'all. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna mess around and order me another one of these. I did enjoy that cod. It was real tasty, y'all. And that spaghetti always go down. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and finish eating my plate. And as always, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.